Mga idolo, may mga team na isang panalo na lang, advance na. Habang ang iba, isang pagkakamali lang, bakasyon na agad. Mula sa domination ng Oklahoma City, hanggang sa matinding sagupaan ng Boston at Sixers. Lahat ng series dikit, brutal, at puno ng drama. At sa video na ito, malalaman mo kung sino ang malapit sa panalo at kung sino ang nasa bingit na ng elimination. Simulan na natin mga idolo.
Hello guys, welcome!
What's up mga idolo? Welcome back sa ating channel. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang latest NBA playoff standings. Sa East, sa West. Sino na ang lamang? Sino ang comeback king? At sino ang tuluyan ng nalaglag? Sa Eastern Conference Playoffs, Boston Celtics versus Philadelphia 76ers. 3-2 ang standing in favor of Celtics. Grabe ang laban dito. Literal na chess match. Ang Boston Celtics, kontrolado ang series sa 3-2 lead. Ibig sabihin, isang panalo na lang tapos na ang laban. Pero hindi basta-basta ang Philadelphia 76ers. Lumalaban sila bawat possession. Ang Boston Celtics, consistent, discipline, at may clutch. Habang sa 76ers naman, fighting spirit at never give up. Sa Game 6, do or die para sa Sixers. At ang prediksyon ko rito mga idolo, Celtics may close it out, pero expect a war sa Game 6.
Brown against Edgecombe.
New York Knicks versus Atlanta Hawks. 3-2 ang standing in favor of Knicks. Isa ito sa pinaka-physical na series at pinakamagandang laro ngayon sa NBA playoffs. Ang New York Knicks lamang ng 3-2 pero hindi pa tapos ang laban. Ang Atlanta Hawks hindi yan basta sumusuko. Ang New York Knicks, grit, defense at hustle. Para sa Hawks naman, explosive offense, comeback potential. Kung magkakamali ang Knicks, pwedeng madala sa Game 7. Prediction, ang New York Knicks ang may edge dito, pero delikado pa rin sila.
Confidence that we saw at the start of Game 4. Towns over Kuminga.
Orlando versus Detroit Pistons. 3-1 ang standing in favor of Magic. Ito yung nakakagulat mga idolo. Kinain yung number 1 sa Eastern Conference ng Orlando Magic. Yung sinasabing Leon ng Eastern Conference, ginawang pusa lang ng Orlando Magic. Ito ang isa sa pinaka-underrated na series. Pero grabe ang dominance ng Orlando Magic dito. 3-1 na sila, isang panalo na lang advance na. Ang Magic may young core, mabilis, aggressive. Samantalang ang Piston, struggling to keep up. Mukhang ito na ang katapusan ng Pistons. Ang prediction ko rito, Magic closes this series easily.
The ball, that defense lead to offense. Kane puts the pressure on you. That help comes over. Tobias Harris cleared for takeoff.
Toronto Raptors versus Cleveland Cavaliers. 2-2, series tied mga idolo. Ito ang pinaka-balance series. 2-2, walang lamang, walang kampante. Para sa Raptors, versatility, experience. Sa Cavaliers naman, depensa at discipline. Ito yung series na pwedeng umabot ng Game 7. Prediction ko rito, toss up, kahit sino pwedeng manalo.
The Cavs coming into this one. 13 of 14 on the season.
Sa Western Conference Playoffs naman tayo mga idolo. San Antonio Spurs versus Portland Trail Blazers. Tapos na. Ang San Antonio Spurs dominant performance. 4-1 series win. Ang San Antonio Spurs may execution, consistency. Habang sa Blazers naman hindi kinaya ang pressure. At dahil dito, advance na ang Spurs sa semifinals.
Off the bench for San Antonio all year. Castle in the
Minnesota Timberwolves versus Denver Nuggets. 3-2 ang standing in favor of Minnesota. Isa sa pinaka-exciting na series ngayon. Ang Minnesota lamang ng 3-2, pero ang Denver hindi pa tapos. Habang ang Minnesota may momentum at confidence, sa Denver Nuggets naman may experience at resilience. Isang panalo lang pwede nang matapos, pero kung mag-choke, Game 7 agad to mga idolo. Prediction ko, this could go all the way. At alam naman natin kung gaano kagaling si Nikola Jokic. Houston Rockets versus Los Angeles Lakers. 3-1 na in favor of Lakers. Mukhang malapit nang matapos to. Ang Los Angeles Lakers ay lamang ng 3-1. Dominant position. Ang Lakers ay may star power, experience. Habang sa Rockets naman, kailangan ng miracle comeback. Isa pang panalo, goodbye Rockets na to mga idolo. Prediction, Lakers finishing this soon.
That percentage of anybody on the team, he said it's actually insane.
At mga idolo, dumako tayo sa panghuling dalawang team. ang Oklahoma City Thunder versus Phoenix Suns. 4-0, sweep mga idolo, winalis. Grabe, walang awa. Sweep, 4-0. Ang Oklahoma City Thunder, literal na dinurog ang Phoenix Suns. Ang Thunder may elite performance, dominance, habang sa Suns naman, walang sagot. Ito ang pinakamalupit na series sa ngayon. Advance na ang Thunder sa next round.
That's an easy shot. He's got to make that.
So far mga idolo, ganito ang sitwasyon ngayon. May mga team na advance na, ang Spurs at Thunder. Isang panalo na lang, Celtics, Knicks, Magic, Lakers at Minnesota. At may mga series na dikit, Raptors versus Cavs. Ibig sabihin, the next game will decide everything. Kung pagbabasihan natin ang momentum, strong contenders ngayon, Thunder pinaka-dominant yan. Ang San Antonio Spurs pinaka-consistent yan. Ang Boston Celtics naman, controlled series. Ang dark horse teams naman, Knicks saka Minnesota. Ang most unpredictable, Raptors versus Cavaliers. Sa playoffs, hindi lang talent ang labanan. Experience, adjustment at clutch moments. At dyan nagkakatalo ang mga team. Habang papalapit tayo sa conference semifinals, lalo pang iinit ang laban. Mas magiging physical, mas magiging emotional, at mas maraming upsets ang pwedeng mangyari. Kung nag-enjoy ka sa video na to, i-like mo na yan. Mag-comment ka kung sino ang prediction mong aabot sa finals. At huwag mong kalimutang mag-subscribe para sa daily NBA updates. At tandaan natin mga idolo, sa playoffs, walang sigurado, walang ligtas, at bawat laro, do or die. At i-hit nyo na rin ang notification bell button dahil dito sa channel na ito, basketball ang tunay na panalo.
Dylan Brooks from deep.
And runs it back the other way. Alexander Walker chasing him. Too late. Here's Pritchard on the drive, falling away. Shot is good. 2 seconds. Tyson gets it off and banks it in.
Which is touching the paint.
Grant, lane cut off. He'll take the jump.
Before that Lakers defense can get set, is the best offense from Houston.
We had a great pregame conversation with Brooks. We'll detail a little bit later. Floater is good.
That we saw in Atlanta.
Taking it in his own hand.
All away from him.
Didn't have a turnover in game 4. Vucevic inside.
11 was their worst 3-point quarter in playoff history.
4-minute mark, opening quarter. Johnson trying to power his way past Avdia.
With Kennard, who had a massive game, won 5 of 5 from 3. This time another 2, and he nailed
SGA. Now Brooks working at Holmgren. And the fall away goes.
Quarters. And a comfortable victory in Atlanta. The double on Johnson. Vincent. Oh,
Up the three-point line, he tried to guard Peyton Pritchard on a switch on the last possession. Boston took advantage both times.
Al Horford to have 20 on 70% shooting in a playoff game. Well, Harper did it.
They'll be much more aggressive downhill.
The lead is
Once again, this is your Spotlights in Sports. Maraming salamat mga ka-sports.
Parang may mali na naman. Once again, this is your Spotlight and Sports. Maraming salamat mga ka-sports.